Let me tell you something about Earth, about the curiosity, desire, and drive to want more. There's an entire planet that is undiscovered, and that planet is the one that you walk on with your own 2 feet. People say you have your entire life to discover new things. In the big picture, one day you will look back on all the places you could have gone and all the things you could have done differently. And one day your life will flash before your eyes, so make sure it's worth watching.